तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू चलता चल तू बढ़ता.
Congratulations, Upasak.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you for taking out time and coming here all the way. So, since it was a second attempt, how was this attempt different from the past attempt?
Ma'am, first of all, I left all the preconceived notions that we generally have about the story making, the WATs, about the interview, how to sit and not. I just left them in trash and I went there with a very positive and a simple mindset. I went with the mind to enjoy the SSB process. That was the only change that I brought into myself, and on my overall productivity, I feel I have changed a bit. I have matured. I am a more competent guy than I appeared after my class 12th SSB.
Uh, Upasak, please narrate some salient points of screening, psychology test, an interview which you would feel would be relevant for the aspirants here.
Ma'am, just one thing, enjoy the process. Don't go with some idea, okay, I have to do like this, I have to do like that. Just enjoy the process thoroughly. There is no single point advice that is given for the psychology test or the interview. My interview was, I think, 1 hour, 20 minutes. It was a very free flow of conversation between me and the interviewer. I don't know, ma'am, I enjoyed it. That was the only thing that I had kept in mind.
Okay, did you face any fish market situation during screening process?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, there was a fish market situation. Everybody was shouting at the top of their lungs. I just kept my cool, my calm, and whenever I got a chance, I spoke relevant points around which the story was centered.
Okay. And we got to know that you've been into farming also. So, how your greater focus on farm increased involvement in domestic responsibilities and made you a more competent person?
Ma'am, achieving day by day daily task has given me a lot of confidence. It has boosted my spirit that I can handle things at a personal level, at a family level, and thus, ma'am, my confidence increased. So overall performance in the SSB also was affected by that in a positive way.
So, you mean to say that your involvement in domestic responsibilities and otherwise your contribution in other things, it overall helped you in SSB as well?
Surely, ma'am, definitely.
Okay, so you were very confident when you went for SSB and remained confident throughout. How did you get this confidence and how did you sustain it?
Ma'am, achieving tasks on a daily basis helped me, whether it was my physical activities, getting up at 4 in the morning and going for my runs and achieving those tasks set my mood for the day. My entire day went with the thought ki yes, in the morning I have achieved my first task of the day, and yes, that's the mindset I'll continue my day throughout. And gradually doing all the tasks that were assigned to me, the tasks that I set for myself, studying and all those domestic responsibilities. So this positive mindset, ma'am, I achieved greater confidence, ma'am, going for the SSB.
Okay, you just mentioned that you wake up at 4 in the morning. So, what was your daily routine? I would like to know.
Ma'am, I used to wake up at 4 in the morning. Then we have some cattle. I used to look after them, their fodder and all. Then I used to go for a run at around 5:30. I used to come back from my run around 7:30. I used to have my breakfast and all. Somewhere around 8, I used to read the newspaper for 1 hour. I used to read the newspaper and watch some YouTube videos related to that. At around 9:10, I would go for a sleep, ma'am. 1 hour sleep. Then waking up at around 10, I would study for 2 hours. Something SSB related, not SSB related, some current affairs and general things. And around 12, I would lunch and then again free time. 3, I would get up for my second strengthening workout. 5, I would get back from there. Again, ma'am, 2 hours of study, and that would be all, ma'am. Looking after the farm and all, that would be it, ma'am. Only 4-5 hours of study was in my schedule, ma'am.
So you had divided a fitness routine into two parts. Morning
ma'am.
you used to go for run, and then in the evening you did the strength workout.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are a lot of students who ask how do we manage our fitness routine. So this can.
Ma'am, basically I didn't have a job and all. I just had my domestic responsibilities, so I could do them at my own pleasure. Definitely, ma'am, I could make time for myself. That was my priority. So in the morning, ma'am, I had to take pains getting up at 4, doing the chores, and then going out for walks, runs. And then definitely, ma'am, in the evening, it was a priority for me to get my strength workouts in. So yes, ma'am, if you have your priorities, you will make time for them.
Okay, during all this preparation process, was there a point where you had any self-doubt, and maybe how did you manage to keep up your motivation?
Ma'am, I have very good friends. Whenever I was in a self-doubt, I like to talk to them, talk to sir. So all these people, they boosted me, ma'am. They pushed my self-confidence. So I would ki nahi yaar, I can do this, and this is a foolish thing to worry about. So I would get back into my confidence zone and start. Their support helped me, ma'am. Then start getting back at it. And yes, ma'am, these self-doubt everybody has. I also had moments. Yes, I took the help of people and sir. My family, ma'am, they supported me. My friends boosted me. Sir's guidance was a very point to follow. So yes, ma'am, after all my self-doubts, I get back to it.
Very nice, Pasak. Tell me one thing, that did you have any backup plan just in case you didn't get through this? You had something in mind?
Ma'am, I did my BSc Honours Statistics from Hindu College, and I didn't look for a job. Clearing CDS was my only priority. Only backup option was to get back to my farm and to be into farming. So this was the only attempt that I had in my hand. I have to do it. This very attempt. And yes, ma'am, hopefully I didn't have to fall back to farming. I cleared it.
Okay. Even if you had to fall back, just in case you had to, so you are a modern farmer, I would say, then you would have contributed there as well.
Yes, ma'am, for sure.
Yeah. Okay, so Upasak, we have got feedback that Nehru sir is sometimes harsh in his language, and when dealing with students, he would have been with you also. So how did you cope up with it?
Ma'am, the very first instance that I had my interaction with sir, he said ki ya to tu kuch kar le, nahi to I'll kick you. I'll kick you in the back. So yes, ma'am, I took that as a positive thing. Ki yes, somebody is there who is looking after me and who is ready to push my limits. So I took it very positively. And yes, I have met guys in my SSB. I have met with a chap who was saying I left NFA because sir is sometimes harsh and he's rude, he's cruel. So I said that, I to take it all in a positive sense. It's all for my benefit. Yes, ma'am, I didn't feel it in a negative manner anytime.
Glad to know that, Upasak. We are happy that this approach is helping out people, and obviously if you take it in a positive way. What are your views about the approach of No Frills Academy?
Ma'am, I think that's the only guidance that one requires for a SSB. It's the to-the-point advice. Sirs think you have to be competent to get selected in the SSB is a very righteous thing, ma'am. We have to just work on ourselves, and yes, SSB is a byproduct. If our daily life our routine is in place, SSB is a very easy thing to crack.
You have cleared your CDS, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, any tips you would like to give on the written exams? There are a lot of students who face issue clearing the written exam.
Yes, ma'am. Especially, I felt GK was a tough nut to crack. So for GK, I did only political science. That's our main subject. Indian polity, you have to be thorough with it. You cannot leave it. Then in the history part, the main focus should be on the modern history, the national history, India's struggle for independence. That should be the main focus. Rest, you can leave aside your ancient and the medieval history. Very less questions are asked from them. The main focus is on the modern history. Then I studied geography, ma'am. Economics has never been my forte, so I just left it, ma'am. I didn't study even a bit of geography, economics. Then I studied my current affairs thoroughly. In the GK part, I did 39 questions, and what I know, 38 were correct. So I was very accurate in selecting my answers for the GK part. Yes, maths, you have to somewhere clear around 60 questions. You have to prepare for 60 questions. See, do smart work. Don't go for everything. Don't try to cover the entire syllabus. Just do the parts that you are confident of and be short in them. Choose the answers with 100% accuracy. And to clear the IMA, score around 140, 145, 150 is a very good score to clear the cutoff for IMA.
Thank you for sharing your knowledge, your tips, whatever you have gathered all this while. Any message for the aspirants you would like to give, Upasak?
Remain focused. Have a thing in your mind that I have to do this. Remain focused. Don't be overly obsessed by it कि नहीं यार ये नहीं तो कुछ नहीं. But yes, remain focused. Be patient. Keep working on yourself. If you are gradually improving, yes, you'll definitely crack your SSB.
Thank you so much, Upasak, for sharing your feedback.